Whether you're blending cocktails, smoothies or milkshakes, the Buffalo Bar Blender offers impressive commercial-grade performance and reliability. Powered by a 1.68 kilowatt variable speed motor, it can blend all kinds of fruit and ingredients within seconds. The 2.5-litre jugs are BPA-free and feature a two-piece lid, so if you need to top it up mid-blend, you can simply remove the clear top cap. The motor can be easily adjusted from 10,000 to 28,000 rotations per minute, depending on the thickness of the drink you're blending. For even more precision, the Buffalo Bar Blender has pulse function. The machines are available with a manual variable speed dial or a user-friendly digital control panel, with built-in timers giving you the precision to produce the most consistent blends. The machines feature a long-lasting premium metal clutch, which is much more durable than plastic versions. With the option of a sound dampening enclosure, this dramatically reduces operating noise, which is perfect for use in quieter or more intimate settings. Coming with a 2-year warranty for parts and labor, this great value Buffalo Bar Blender is a fantastic addition to your business.